Hey guys, super quick tutorial on how to download all of your Twitch clips if that's what you're looking to do. Two links, twitchanz.com/clips. Second link is going to be to a Google Chrome extension called Simple Mass Downloader. Once you've downloaded it, it'll come up in the top right hand corner here as an extension and it looks something like this. Go to twitchanz.com/clips. There might be a little login button up the top here. You just want to click login and authorize your Twitch account. Next, you're going to type in your username in the username section. In the from and to section where it has the two dates, you want to go back to how long you want to backtrack to download Twitch clips. So say I want to download all of my Twitch clips from, say, start of 2016. We're going to go all the way back to the start of 2016 here, 1st of January 2016 to the current date, and we're going to click search. And that's going to search for all of your Twitch clips for that username in that time period you've set. As you can see, we've got 1,068 clips. It'll show all the clips here. You can play them. You can go to the Twitch link. You can click here to download the individual clip. We don't want to download them all individually. We want to download them all at once. So what we're going to do is we're going to click here where it says export data. This is going to copy all the links for all of those clips, all 1,068 of them. We're going to go up to Simple Mass Downloader and we're going to go Control V in resource list. So make sure you have resource list selected. Once you paste it, it'll have literally all of these links to all of these Twitch clips to download. Once you've done that, click here, which will check all of those Twitch clips that you just pasted in. Go to the bottom right here and go add to activate queue for immediate downloading. Click that and literally it's going to start downloading all of your Twitch clips into your downloads folder or wherever you set it in this extension.